Moratorium, meaning a temporary suspension or delay of an activity or law. Synonyms: suspension, halt, delay. Example: the government announced a moratorium on new construction projects. Stranded, meaning left in a difficult situation without a way to move or escape. Synonyms: stuck, trapped, abandoned. Example: many passengers were stranded due to heavy rainfall. Phenomenon, meaning an observable fact or event that is unusual or remarkable. Synonyms: event, occurrence, happening. Example: global warming is a phenomenon affecting the entire planet. Rife, meaning very common or widespread, often in a harmful way. Synonyms: widespread, prevalent, common. Example: corruption is rife in many developing countries. Dissipated, meaning overindulging in pleasure to the point of moral decline. Synonyms: wasted, degenerate, indulgent. Example: he led a dissipated life, ignoring his responsibilities.